So I'm going to make homemade hand sanitizer. One of my friends gave me this recipe and it literally just takes 3 ingredients. That's the aloe vera plant, essential oil to make it smell better, and rubbing alcohol or alcohol. I couldn't find any rubbing alcohol here locally. So I just wanted to do a little show of this is how it looks when you cut open the aloe vera plant. My first one I kind of botched it a little bit, but now I got a pretty good technique going forward. This is the aloe vera plant. And I got mine at PCC. You know, this is the other side of it. It's just a leaf. They're like $2.99 a pound. Not that bad at all. Put it on the surface like that so the curve has space, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut it as close to the little pricklies along the side, and then you're going to do it all the way back down the other side, and that will leave a thicker part of the aloe vera on this top piece so you get most of it at once. So try to stay close to this bottom, so when you're cutting it, you're just cutting this bottom piece off of it, folding it off of it. Okay, so that's how much 2 leaves got me, and my max line is right there. So I'm gonna pour some of this out just so it's more equal to the alcohol going in it, so it's more potent, and save it for my second batch and use it in my second batch. I was just doing the aloe vera plant, and then I was like, how much parts of the alcohol do I actually add to this so it's the right, consistency to kill germs and everything? And I'm sure plenty other people have made this mistake, but I originally had bought this and thought, it says 80 proof, it's pure grain. I thought, oh, that'll be enough. It's supposed to be, 70 proof or higher, or, but that's with rubbing alcohol. So I went on YouTube and found this guy named Chem Science, who's this really smart chemist guy. And he was telling people, because obviously rubbing alcohol is being sold out everywhere, what you can actually use instead of the rubbing alcohol. So he said you need to have alcohol that is 151 proof. So I got online real quick and found it over at that wine store, whatever. And I went in there and got me some Everclear, because it needs to be grain alcohol, because basically the ingredient that you're looking for is the ethanol. And so that is what's in Everclear, and anything that is like 151 proof. And so they actually had 90 proof. And so I figured, you know what? They got 151 and 190, and this is all about killing the germs and making sure it works. So I got me some 190 proof. It's like 24 bucks from Total Wines. I got 2 bottles of it just in case I need to make some more for people and friends, and just for people to use. I'm not hoarding the hand sanitizer, I'm giving it away. So make sure when you get the most important ingredient to this whole entire mix, that if you cannot get rubbing alcohol of 75% and higher, then you need to get yourself some 151 drinking alcohol that is 151 or higher, to make sure that you're actually making the hand sanitizer potent enough to kill these germs. So now that I'm home and I got my alcohol, and I got the right alcohol, don't know what I'm going to do with the other fifth, maybe give it to someone because I don't drink. So I'm going to get this plugged in and get it mixing and see how the consistency works out. And suggested for essential oils, if you have tea tree, to use tea tree, because that is also an antibacterial, and I don't have any tea tree. I've got a calming pure one, and I currently use this one in my diffuser, this one called Happiness. So I'm going to make 2 or 3 different batches and do one each, see how they smell when it's all mixed in with the alcohol and the aloe vera. But be sure, if you are like getting low on hand sanitizer, or you work as an essential and are in the stores, or nurses, or whoever you are, if you're out working and you're still able to work and you're needing to go out and interact with people, go get some aloe vera, go get some 151, and make some hand sanitizer if you're running out, because this is soon, 151 is soon going to be sold out, and aloe vera plants are going to be sold out. Like, when I got to the store to get the plant leaves, there were only a few left. And when I went to go to the alcohol store, I had to go to a specific store because they don't carry certain proofs in our local grocery stores here in Washington. And so I had to go to like a Total Wines. You may be able to get it at Bivmo, but even the bigger sizes of the 750 milliliters, those are on wait lists and being sold out, and there was maybe 10 more bottles left on the shelf when I was in there. So go out, get these things, make good use of them, give them to your friends, your family, your co-workers, whatever. Let's keep helping each other out. Now I'm gonna get on to mixing this thing. Okay, so on his on the Chem Science guy, he said you need to use 1/3 aloe vera. So my max line is here, that is 1/3, and you're gonna use 2/3 of the alcohol. Again, make sure it is 151 proof or 190 proof. I got my hands on some 190. Actually made for a pretty good consistency. Then we're going to add gonna add some Happiness. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See how that helps. I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Thank you. It's amazing even to
a little bit more aloe vera. Maybe add a little bit more.
With details that flatter every curve and pockets that are convenient and cute. With a wide range of features and fits, you can
just improvising as I go. Just kind of seeing what the consistency is like. Where's my max level? I don't want to kill my blender. There, that's probably good. Ugh! Fire fingers. Aloe fingers, to be exact. Okay, let's try that. My friends, is homemade hand sanitizer. So, if you, again, work in the field, need hand sanitizer, easy way to do it. Once you have the ingredients, it's easy to do. It's finding the ingredients that will be a little time consuming. I went to PCC to get the aloe vera husk Whole Foods has it as well from what I saw. It's like $2.99 a pound. And then essential oils, those can be found at like Bartell's, Rite Aid, Whole Foods, Ross, all sorts of places online as well. The main important component though is the 151, the Everclear. If you can get your hands on some rubbing alcohol, then props to you, because there's none in several stores and they don't plan on getting it anytime soon. So definitely go get yourself some 151 or higher proof alcohol. I got myself 190 because it was available. So yeah, I hope this helps. I hope you guys are all safe and well. Have a good day, you guys. Hope you're enjoying the sunshine best you can with still staying home or social distancing, and still be sure to get your daily steps out and get your daily word count out to someone. Stay safe. Bye.
You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayer.